Experiencing issues with your GMC Sierra's infotainment system, like freezing or a black screen? This section clarifies the two main reset types: reboots and factory resets. The infotainment system can freeze or show a black screen due to glitches or software conflicts. A reboot is like restarting your phone. It resolves minor glitches without losing data. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black and restarts. A factory reset wipes all user data and settings for persistent issues. Access via the system's settings menu and confirm. For 2020 and newer models, you may need a PIN from your owner's manual or dealer. Use Reboot for minor glitches first. Reserve factory reset for persistent problems, as it erases saved data. GM advises against unnecessary factory resets to avoid losing saved data like music playlists or navigation settings. We'll cover specific black screen fixes next. Black screens in GMC Sierra infotainment systems are often caused by software bugs, power issues, or hardware failures. Let's go through the troubleshooting steps systematically. First, check the 15A infot fuse in the fuse box under the dashboard. This fuse powers the infotainment system. Second, ensure your vehicle battery is fully charged above 12.6 volts. Low voltage can cause black screens. Third, for a forced reboot, disconnect the battery for 5 minutes to fully reset the system. Fourth, update your software via USB or Wi-Fi. Updates often include patches for black screen issues. If the problem persists, it could be an electrical glitch requiring professional assistance. Always perform resets with the vehicle off and keys removed for safety.